Have you ever walked into a coffee shop and suddenly forgot all your English?
Or maybe you wanted a latte, but ended up pointing and saying, this one?
You are not alone. Even confident English learners feel nervous ordering coffee in a busy cafe.
But today, we're going to fix that completely.
Welcome back to Easy English Every Day, the podcast that helps you speak English confidently in real life.
I'm John.
And I'm Olivia.
Today's lesson, Real English in Coffee Shops, How to Order Like a Native.
By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to order any drink smoothly, even during a busy morning rush.
And yes, your English will sound natural, friendly, and confident.
Imagine you walk into a coffee shop. A barista smiles at you and says,
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
This is the most common greeting. Now, what are your options?
Native-style responses. Hi, can I get a...
Yes, I'd like a...
Could I have a...
Please avoid saying, give me. It sounds a little rude in many English-speaking countries.
A mini dialogue. Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Of course. Anything else? Friendly, easy, natural.
Understanding sizes and options. Coffee shops often have unique size names. Small, medium, large.
Or brand names like tall, grande, venti. Simple phrases to sound native. What sizes do you have? What's the difference between small and medium? Medium is perfect. Thanks.
A mini dialogue. What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
Medium, please.
Notice. Short, confident, natural.
Customizing your drink. This is where many English learners panic. Do not worry. We will make it simple.
Customization vocabulary. Extra hot. Iced. With oat milk or almond milk. Less sugar. No foam. To go, takeaway.
Customization dialogue to practice. Can I get an iced caramel latte with oat milk?
Sure. Do you want it sweet or less sweet?
Less sweet, please.
You see? Not complicated, just patterns.
Adding food and making small talk. English-speaking cafes love small talk. Here's how it sounds.
Phrases used. How's your day going? It's pretty busy today, huh? That looks delicious.
Dialogue to practice. That muffin looks really good. What flavor is it?
It's blueberry, one of our most popular.
I'll take one, please.
Paying like a native. Payment English. I'll pay by card. Can I tap? Here you go. Could I get a receipt, please?
Payment dialogue. That'll be $6.80.
I'll pay by card. Can I tap?
Sure. Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
You too.
Pronunciation and practice. Repeat after us. Say these phrases loud wherever you are. Repeat.
Can I get a latte, please?
Iced, please.
To go.
Could I have oat milk?
Thanks. Have a great day.
Here is your challenge for today. Record yourself ordering coffee using these sentences.
Hi. Can I get a... What sizes do you have? To go, please.
Then, comment below. What is your favorite coffee order?
We'll feature your comments in our next episode.
If today's episode helped you sound more confident, hit the subscribe button.
And don't forget to watch our related lesson, English in Supermarkets, what to say while shopping.
This was Easy English Every Day.
See you next time.